So I thought I'd share a little bit about how I bend some of the smaller photo etch, how I deal with it. And one of the things I did here is I made this little frame. Forgive the shakiness here. I made this little frame that sticks up a few inches off my bench so I can assemble and deal with photo etch a little bit more elevated, so I'm not so hunched over, and it's a little narrower so I can get in a little easier from either side. And I've also put double-sided sticky tape here. This one is almost due to get replaced, but it's still in pretty good shape. And when I do little parts like these, this is a trunk latch or trunk bracket. These are specifically for a Dragon Panther F that I'm working on. They are fairly common, these and the spring-loaded tool clamps. And this is a two-piece affair. There are the actual pull-down brackets and then the hinge component. And to give you guys an idea how small these things are, here is a normal size box cutter knife that I use to trim photo etch with. I don't sacrifice good scalpel blades for this. So I've already cut these off and cleaned them up. I cut them off right on here so they don't go flying all over the place. They stick with the double-sided sticky tape. And I cut as close to the part as I can. I can kind of glide it along the part of the fret that attaches it, and you can just push down. You can hear it click. Do it to the other side. Hear it click. You see it didn't fly anywhere. And you need very pointy tweezers to get these off. And just like that, it comes off. It needs a little bit of sanding. So what I do is I have a pair of flat jaw pliers that I've cleaned up a little bit. They sit on a magnet, so they get a lot of filings around here. So I'll hold it in place, and I just use a nail pad that I bought at Save On or Walmart or wherever you want to buy them from. And I just very gently sand these down. So this one still needs to be cleaned up, so I'll use one of the ones I've already done. Now I don't think you can really see. There are some fold lines on this part. I'm going to try and, I don't know if you can see it kind of. I'm using my webcam that I never really use just to see how well it'll work. And to put these in, I kind of line it up very gently into the tweezers. So the tweezers are basically on either side of the fold line, and I will very gently bend one side, bend the other, not completely, just so they're at a little bit of a 45 bend. There we go. Drop it in place. Grab another bracket. I just have to move this around a little bit. And I am using a 4.5 power magnified head magnifier. And it just drops into place. Hopefully this doesn't go flying across the studio, because I already had that happen. And once it's in, you just squeeze the pieces together, and it's done. That's all there is to it. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Let me know if you'd like to see more stuff like this. I could even go live on my Facebook page. Just go on Facebook and search for Blitzkrieg Model Works.